Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you need just to open facebook.com and make sure you are logged in into your profile. After that, you will need just to go to the settings of your profile. You click on profile, either you can go to the profile and start changing your settings from here by clicking editing or edit, and you can have some modification on your profile to change your name or the name that you display name. You need just to go to the settings here, settings and privacy, and basically we need just to click on setting, and here we will find the account center. Click on see more on account center, and here you can find other settings like the profile details, etc. If you click on profile details, it will just like redirect you to your profile, etc. But what we are interested in is the account center where you can change your informations there. After going to the account centers, we can find profiles, connected experience, and here we can find personal details like your email, password. We are not interested in this, and those are your accounts. What we want is to go to the profiles and not accounts, and here you click on profiles. You find your username. You can start editing your username, and here you can edit or change your your display name. You just add or change it whatever however you like. Click on review change, and you will have your name that will be changed. And same goes for profile picture, the avatar, anything else. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.